guys. How are you? It's me
Miss Murphy.
and we're just coming today to explain something that we are going to start using today. So today is Monday, April 6th, and this is when you should be watching the video. We are going to be moving from Google Classroom to a new platform called Canvas. So Miss Murphy and I today are going to explain how to use it and kind of give you a step-by-step guide of everything you need to do. So I know this might seem very crazy, but it will be simple once we explain everything. So this is a video of us just explaining, and then we'll answer questions later. So if you are Miss Murphy, you got this while you're typing.
Are you sure? Okay. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go onto your Google Chrome and you're going to go up at the top and you're up here and you're going to type in CMS homepage. Okay. That is how you're going to get to the CMS homepage. You might have it already saved somewhere, but just go up and type CMS homepage and you're going to click on Charlotte-Mecklenburg Schools, the first one. This is going to look like how we logged in to iStation. So you might find this kind of familiar. So once you get to the CMS homepage, there is a blue little area and you're going to click on students, the little guy with the backpack. So click on that. And then you're going to get to a page that says Student Portal, okay? Scroll down to where you see Student Portal Help Guide in red. And if you scroll down a little further, you're going to see this that says Canvas in gray, and it has the red and white circle. Do not click on the red and white circle with the house in it. You're going to click on the one that says Canvas beside it. So once you click on that, it'll bring you to the page where you type in your username. So you're going to type in your username and your password.
Student ID.
Oh, sorry, your student ID. Thanks. Different than username. Your student ID and then your password. Miss Allen, they all know their password, right?
It should be capital CMSX 2029. It's however you log into your computer.
And I think I have made all of my homerooms capital CMSX 2029. So if it doesn't work, try capital CMSX 2029. All right, so once you get to this page, you're going to click on Canvas. Again, the little red circle, red and white circle. And it will bring you to your dashboard where, hang on one second. It will bring you to a page that looks like this, and you're going to have to log in again, probably. If you don't, that's great. If you do, just use your student ID in capital CMSX 2029 one more time. Ooh. Okay, so it will bring you to your dashboard, and you will have two classes. You will have reading, and you will have math. So we'll click on reading, and I'll walk you through reading. So when you get to reading, you're going to have a screen that looks like this, okay? And it has all of your things on there. Now, you only see 4 circles. There are 6, so make sure you scroll over, okay? So we'll start with daily schedule. Miss Allen and I both have this on our pages. If you click on it, it's a suggested schedule. You do not have to use it, but it is something that is suggested for you and your family just to help you stay on track. So if you click on that, you can read it. And to get back to the page we were just on, it's our home page. So click on home. Okay. Now, if you need more help, if you need Spanish help or translation in Spanish, please click on the purple box. That is Miss Sourwine's information. Guys, we're giving you Miss Sourwine's information and Miss Allen and Miss Murphy's phone numbers, even though you already have it. Just please know that we have families of our own as well. So if you are trying to contact us past 5 o'clock, we will get back to you the next day. Okay? All right, bedtime stories, that's not there yet, but on Monday when you're viewing this, it will be. It's videos of Charlotte's Web for you to watch. Contact me. It will have my contact information on there. Go back to home. And this is the button that you're going to press every day. It's the green assignments button, okay? So you click on it. Well, Miss Allen will show you this.
For mine, because mine's published.
Mine might not be published. Okay, so just know that you're going to click on that every day. So now we're going to go over to courses. We're going to go to dashboard. And then we're going to go over to math. And Miss Allen is going to explain all of her buttons to you.
Okay, so for my buttons, they look very similar to Miss Murphy's. And Miss Murphy, you don't have to click on these until we can try assignments. But for daily schedule, it's the same schedule as Miss Murphy's. And then we have the assignments. We'll click on that in just a minute. We'll come back to it. The contact me, which is my number, but mostly everyone has it. And then your specials button, which is going to give you a link to all the specials. And then you have Miss Sourwine's contact information if you need help in Spanish. And then we will have a spot for science. You'll click on that and it'll open up. But the most important thing for you guys is you need to know that the assignments, the green button, is where you go every single day. Click on it. Okay, so this is what mine and Miss Murphy's will look like. So today is Monday, so you will click on this, and it will bring up this page. This is something that you're going to see every single day. You're going to have what's happening today. It's going to give you the objective and kind of an overview with some bullet points of what we're doing. So you're watching me explain Canvas, and that we know that switching from Google Classroom to Canvas is chaotic, but we are going to make this easier for all of us. And just the fact that we can't wait to get started. So right here, you can see today's task. This is what you need to focus on. It is going to be laid out for you. You have 1, 2, 3, 4 tasks right now. Now, number 1, there's not one because you're watching the video currently. So number 1 for like Tuesday, there will be a video. You will click there for the link. Number 2, let's chat. You will click here and it'll bring you to a discussion board. This is going to be where you conversate and make comments to your classmates or to us to let us know. It will look different because it's not posted yet. And then number 3 will be your math assignment. So this is where you'll click to maybe do like a quiz or a practice. It will look similar to the Google form where you have multiple choices and you'll answer those and submit it. And then number 4 is your brain break. It's a Go Noodle. You can click on the link, then it'll take you to a Go Noodle. This is something that you are going to see every single day. So when you go on Tuesday, tomorrow, you're going to not click on Monday, April 6th. You're going to click on Tuesday, April 7th. Okay? And then, Miss Murphy, you can go back to home. And this is what everybody, all the 3rd grade teachers' page looks like. Everyone's Canvas. So Miss Murphy's looks like mine. We have a few different buttons, but they're all similar. As a reminder, the most important button for you to be clicking on is your assignments. That is what you need to do every single day. That needs to be done first when you log into Canvas.
Guys, if you log on, because I had a problem with this too, if you log on and you only see these 4, you have 2 options. You can take your cursor and scroll it out, or if you hover over it and you just scroll over, do you see you can scroll over? Do that. I had the same problem. So if you only see the 4 buttons, just scroll over, they are there. Okay, guys? So as a reminder, when you log in, you should see reading and math. You need to click on them both every day. And the most important button that you're going to click on every day is the green assignments. And it's in the same place for both of us, the green assignments button. Okay. Miss Allen, do you have anything else?
So this is obviously new, and we're all going to be working with it. What Miss Murphy and I would like is for you to try your best on your own to figure this out. We have made a video that can be rewatched to help guide you through. It is pretty self-explanatory by just logging in, getting on Canvas, clicking on math or reading, and clicking on your assignment and completing them. There will be links there for you to complete the assignments, okay? There should not be any major questions. And when you call Miss Murphy or me, we're going to ask if you have watched the video and whether you followed the steps. Because just like you guys, this is learning for us, but we also have to be mindful of how much time we're spending talking to so many students. So what we want is for you to be able to be independent and try doing this on your own before you give us a call. Granted, yes, you're allowed to call us, but we need you to try to figure this out on your own by watching the video.
For this week, I'm doing this video, but I am not officially back until the first day after spring break. I'm still spending time with Clara, and I'm still getting ready, and I'm still learning all of this like you are. So if you have a question, text me and Miss Allen, and I will try and get back to you. But just know that I'm not officially back until after spring break. Also, a great place for your questions that Miss Allen and I can answer them is in the chat. So if you have a question, go ahead and type it in there. If you have a question that can wait and that you think, they can just text me later, or they can call me later, or they can respond later, type it in there. If you have an urgent question, then you can text us or call us, but just know that there's that place right there in the chat. And we want you to try this on your own first. Okay, guys? We're really excited about this platform. It's actually pretty cool, and we think it'll be a great way for us to learn for the next few weeks. So just make sure you're getting used to it this week. That's kind of our goal for the next 3 days, is for you to get used to this platform because it is new for all of us.
Yes, and like Miss Murphy said, when you were watching this video that whole week, she is still not teaching, so you need to be reaching out to us, but more than likely I will be responding back, as well as if you do have questions on the chat, make sure that it's not questions like you're talking to another student. They need to be important questions that you have for your teachers, okay? This is something that all Charlotte-Mecklenburg schools are supposed to be doing, so that is why we are doing it, and it is a great platform, and we will enjoy using it. It actually ends up being a little easier than your Google Classroom. It just, of course, is going to take time, like it did for us when we first started using our computers.
Y'all got it. It's going to be great. So if you need to rewatch this video, the last few minutes are us giving you some pointers and, talking about it. But remember, the first little bit is us actually showing you how to use it. So if you need any reminders, just go back to the beginning, rewatch it, and you can pause it where you need to so you can do the steps too. Okay? Y'all got it. You're going to do great.
Yes, you do.
All right.
Bye-bye.
Bye, guys.